जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter अक्षर परब्रह्म योगमु 15th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, Arjuna, the great-minded people who are known as Mahatma, they naturally wants to attain the greatest place. So the greatest place is me. I am the greatest place. I am the greatest attainment. So that is why the Mahatmas, they realize my true nature, they understand my supremacy, they realize my great divine qualities and glory. Then they will start doing meditation upon me, they will start worshipping me alone, and thus they will attain me alone. Once they attain me, they do not have to go back to the cycle of birth and death. The birth means it is the place for all kind of chain of grief, all kind of chain of sufferings. So that is why these great people who attains me, they will not go back. They will not have to go back to the cycle of birth and death. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining us, those who wants to attain Sri Krishna Paramatma, they will attain and they will not have to come back to birth and death cycle. And those who wants to attain Atma Sakshatkaram, they also don't have to come back to the cycle of birth and death, but their joy, their anandam is like a small droplet of water in ocean, comparing to the joy that people gets after attaining Sri Krishna Paramatma. And also Krishna Paramatma saying that those who wants to attain Aishwaryam, they will have to come back to this birth and death cycle. Like this, Krishna Paramatma displaying all the details of Aishwaryardhi, Kaivalyardhi and Kainkaryardhi or Jnani. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Mam vupetya punarjanma dukkhalayam asasvatam napnuvanti Mahatmanaha samsiddhim paramam gataha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone, unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma praying Sriman Narayana like this. O Sriman Narayana, O Paramapurusha, you are different from this Prakriti, different from all the souls. You have great effulgence and you have very different divine nature. O Sriman Narayana, this Rakshana, protection of this entire universe and dissolving of this entire universe, every of these activities are yours. You reap so much joy out of these activities. O Sriman Narayana, you are the one who is controlling this entire Srishti. I bow my head to you. I surrender to you. I do namaskaram to you. Yasya avatara guna karma vidambanani namani. Hey Bhagavan, you came down in different forms at different timings for different purposes. And when you came down in different avatarams, you have got so many names like Devaki Nandana, Dasarathi, Bhaktavatsala, Giridhari, Kamsari, Ravanantaka. And those who takes these names and get so much used to take these names. And when they are about to leave the bodies, if they spontaneously, even unknowingly, gets to take these names at the time of their death, you are the one who is making sure all of their clutches are relieved, and they are attaining Sakshat Paramapadam. To that extent, your name, your Namam itself is helping. O Srimannarayana, you are only the one who is refuge to all the worlds. I take refuge at your divine lotus feet. O Srimannarayana, Yova Ahancha Girishascha Vibhuhu Swayancha. You are the one who brought me and Shiva into existence. And you are the one who is there as an Antaryami in both of us. And you are the one helping us do Srishtikaryam and Layakaryam. And then you are the one who is doing Rakshanakaryam by yourself. Such great divine, O Paramatma, you are spreaded all over this entire universe just like widely spreaded tree. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma praying Srimannarayana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter, 15th sloka. Mam Vupetya Punarjanma Dukkhalayam Asasvatam Napnuvanti Mahatmanaha Samsiddhim Paramam Gataha. Mamupetya Punarjanma Dukkhalayam Napnuvanti Mahatmanaha Samsiddhim Paramam Gataha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.